Take it for the thing.
Hey guys, I'm going to try this on that thing, cardboard.
Hey, turn the lights on. We can't see.
So, here's on the cardboard.
We're gonna go up this.
Yeah.
As you can see.
Okay, I see my
With
card.
my little.
It's not really mine, but
Well, it's mine.
it's just my stepbrother's.
Here, let me show.
Mine's a little messed up.
His is right there.
Mine's a little messed up.
These are the new cars that go around cones and stuff that are real fast. And he didn't make it.
That's a fail.
Epic fail.
I'm going to drive backwards. I cannot drive this car, but I can drive other ones better. There I go. Tip number 2.
Chair smash.
Okay. Tip number 3.
Get right there and throttle it.
Oh my
Get right there and throttle it.
No, we gotta get speed, guys, to get up here.
No, just throttle it. Just throttle it.
Yeah, go. We're halfway. Guys, I made it up all the way almost, so I'll go let that bridge fail.
Yep, this bridge is, as you can see, it's cardboard and it's really hard.
This stupid chair's in the way, guys.
Yeah, the chair's in the way. Excuses.
Okay.
Hey, you about hit me.
Okay, I'm already flip it over. Okay, get over the street. Look up.
Hang on, watch this. Take off.
Go.
Reed, let's do it about 6 minutes. And we're aiming for about at least 6 likes and at least 20. Yeah. And also, like my videos is Denver Cole. And also, like my videos. Don't hit me. And also, like my videos, my YouTube channel is Denver Cole Hancock.
And y'all know how to spell Cole and Hancock?
It's
Cole is C-O-L-E, and Hancock is
Hancock.
That's all.
Yep. Like me, Ridge Malloy, channel 2 and mine. That was an
Epic fail, guys.
epic fail.
Okay, my brother's gonna try now because I suck.
Yeah, he
I
sucks.
suck crap.
My brother's gonna take over the controller. I'm gonna take over the camera. Okay, we can move this car. And y'all will straighten up this ramp better. Because my brother, he was gonna try to do it. He don't know how to drive. Y'all can see he just crashed into the safe. Soon then.
What I want to do is full throttle.
Okay.
About right here.
He did this while ago and he didn't even make halfway up. See guys, he needs to get more speed. Tell him he needs to get more speed. He said, they say you need to get more speed, dumbo. Get more speed. You look ugly. Woo. He ain't gonna make it up not getting speed. He's not gonna make it up because he's not getting speed.
Let's go.
He's almost.
Let's go.
Oh, you broke it. Okay. He just broke a piece of cardboard, y'all can see. Tell him he needs to get more speed. Try to get more speed. There you go. That's probably good enough if you want to try that. You almost made it again. Okay. He's going to get more speed this time right there. Go.
Let's go, baby. Let's go.
He makes it halfway up, but he needs to get more speed. Here, drive way back there by my shoe. He got stuck in the chair. He's gonna go all the way back there to my shoe. Y'all, I'm gonna be laying down by you. This is my feet. Oi! I hope y'all know my favorite clothes is Under Armour, Old Navy, and Nike. My favorite shoes is Nike, Converse, and Under Armour. Here he comes. Oi.
Okay.
He's lined up.
We're cruising home.
Then he's gonna like hotel. Like that. See, y'all? You almost made it. Try it again, Deborah. Okay, he's gonna take over the camera now.
Hey, let me do one more try.
He's gonna do it one more time, then he's gonna take over the camera.